Unfortunately, people are finding out right now that when they retire, they're not in a lower tax bracket. Joe Overfield here with IntelliPlane Financial. I am going to talk specifically today about the tax benefits of dividend paying whole life insurance. Again, a lot of people are not as familiar with how powerful dividend paying whole life insurance can be. From a tax perspective, there's no better tool on the market that you can use in your financial planning process that can help you reduce your taxes. Let's talk about what those benefits are. The first one is a tax-free retirement income. We're spending a lot of our time today saving money in 401s and IRAs, and we're looking for the markets to grow our wealth. Sometimes the markets are doing well, sometimes the markets are not. The day is coming that you want to start accessing those accounts for retirement income. But what is going to happen if tax rates are really high at that time? And those are the things we tend to forget about because of the myth that we're always going to be in a lower tax bracket. Unfortunately, people are finding out right now that when they retire, they're not in a lower tax bracket. You want to have some of your wealth diversified in a tax-free product that can provide you income tax-free in retirement. And that is what whole life insurance can do for you. There's numbers of people out there today looking at IRA and 401 Roth conversions, and they're doing it just for the tax benefits. If you've already started your whole life policy, you've got a leg up. You've already jumped ahead and you have been building something that is tax-free in retirement. Another great benefit from a tax perspective, Social Security is taxed when you retire. So think about what assets you are holding today that is going to provide you income when you retire. So you hit retirement, you start withdrawing income, you're going to turn on your Social Security. The more income you make, they call it provisional income. The more income you make, the more taxes you're going to pay on your Social Security and your Medicare benefits. So if your entire income is coming in from taxable sources, then you're going to pay a lot more on your Social Security. Today, if a married couple filing jointly, if you make over $44,000 a year, then 85% of your Social Security is going to be taxable. By having a tool like a dividend paying whole life insurance, the income coming in is not taxable, meaning it does not count towards your provisional income. And because of that, your Social Security is going to be taxed less, and you're going to pay less for your Medicare premiums as well. Huge benefit that people are not thinking about in the long run. Another thing from a tax perspective is the tax-free death benefit. When some people I talk with, well, I don't need life insurance. My biggest question is, why not? Why would you not want to have life insurance? It is the best way to transfer wealth onto your family, onto your children. If you struggle during your life, do you really want your children and your grandchildren to struggle the way that you had to? Why not have a tool that you can access, you can live on, and still pass wealth on a tax-free basis to help your future generations? It is a tremendous tool. There's nothing better out there for transferring wealth. It's also tax-free accumulation. A lot of people, they love the 401k or IRA concept because it is what they call tax deferred. That means you're not paying taxes on your money until the day comes that you pull it out. With a whole life policy, you get the exact same benefit. It is tax deferred. However, when you use those dollars, whether you take it as a policy loan or whether you take it as retirement income, it will not only be tax deferred along the way, it is tax free when you use it. Nothing competes with this. And then lastly, tax-free policy loans. As you're accumulating this wealth, the growth and the interest you are earning, even when you take a policy loan out of the policy, it is not taxable. When really truly you sit down and not just look at the rate of return on a policy, when you start adding up all those additional benefits, the return is so much greater on a whole life policy. And you just have to take a look and understand that. Just want to make sure people truly can see all the tax benefits that holding a whole life policy can help you with. If you're not sure, reach out to us. Our job here is to make sure as many people understand this concept and utilize it as possible. Thanks for watching our video today. Come see us at IntelliPlanFinancial.com.